Okay, I have the flying fish out here today. I posted on our Facebook not too long ago when they put this on sale again. I hope you guys have taken advantage of it. This is my favorite sub-250g factory plane that I have flown so far. It is absolutely fantastic. Okay. Wind's picking up a little bit. There's my wind. Let's launch. Got it in beginner mode to begin with. Beginner mode to begin with. Okay, we have it in wind mitigation mode now. Oh, that's why I love this plane. It is awesome. Do a roller coaster turn with it. Loop into a split S. Vertical. Look at that. Yeah, I really hope you guys took advantage of it. Oh, it is just an awesome plane. It has pretty good slow flight capability. That's in a crosswind right there. Wind shifting on me. Very maneuverable, very responsive. Watch the car. I got the car today instead of the truck. Truck's got to go in the shop. I've had a lot of failures lately with RC components and vehicles. I don't get it, man. Guess it's not a good time to buy a lottery ticket. Look at that, that is so cool. Alright, so how many of you, let me know, how many of you took advantage of one of the sales that they had on this flying fish? And tell me what you think of it. I think this is just, gosh, it's just a fantastic flying little plane. I have links to it in the show notes. This one is an Eachine branded. There's also an ATOMRC branded version of this plane. I have links to both of them in the show notes. Check it out. I'm telling you, compared to other planes that I have flown, that I have purchased, that I have paid a lot more money for, this is an exceptional value in a plane. Would I steer you wrong? No, I wouldn't. If it's crap, I'll tell you. Awesome plane. I have so much fun with it. And it is so easy to fly because it's, it's just so stable, it tracks so well, it's well behaved. I like planes like that. I like planes that are easy to fly. You know, I don't have the skill level for those hard ones. Stay out of the sun. There we go. And you don't need a big area to fly this in. The virtual box that I'm flying in is not very big. I'd say if you got 8 to 10 acres of ground, you're good to go. Woo, that was close. I thought I gave you one close-up, huh? How about a double vertical roll to a split S? Oh, that is so easy. That is so easy with this plane. Let's do a loop into a vertical double roll into split S. What did I tell you about this plane? Huh? That was easy. So easy. Now watch me crash. Oh, the bugs, the bugs. I'll be glad when winter gets here, so I don't have to fight the bugs. Ooh, I almost ran out of elevator there. I think I'm going to need... Didn't I say that during the last flight session? Didn't I say that I was going to increase the dual rate or change the linkage on the elevator to give me more movement? And I lied, didn't I? I completely forgot to do that. And I almost paid the price for it there. I don't know if you could hear it in the camera, but my stick hit bottom when I was pulling it out of that dive. I never like to feel my stick hit bottom. That's no fun. Because then you got nowhere to go, right? Darn bugs. Alright, let's see if we can bring in for a landing. We're clear at the moment. I have had a lot of traffic through here today, including a balloon crew. Oh, that is so darn cool, guys. I love this plane. I'm not exaggerating when I say this is my favorite sub-250g factory plane that I have flown to date. I have no complaints about this plane. It is absolutely awesome. Let me see here. Do I have... Let me take it out of gyro mode. Oh yeah, I got plenty of adjustment on the elevator to give me more elevator on the horn and on the servo. Alright, so I'm going to make a mental note. Do not forget to adjust the linkage on the elevator, Tony, before you bring it back out again. Because you do not want to run out of stick again. That was not fun. The rest of the flight was fun. But that part, I could do without that part. Alright. Fantastic flying plane. If you guys follow our Facebook page, whenever I find a deal on a plane that I think is a good value, I post it on our Facebook page so that you know about it. So, if you don't follow our Facebook page right now, you might want to think about it. Otherwise, you might miss the sale, right? Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the air.